Most men lose her. Not on the date, not in person, but in a text conversation she's already forgotten about. Because here's the thing, texting isn't talking. It's a completely different psychological arena. And if you text her the way you'd talk to her face-to-face, you're triggering all the wrong instincts. These are 3 psychology-backed texting principles that create tension, curiosity, and emotional investment before you ever meet up. The delay principle, strategic response timing. When you reply instantly, every single time, you eliminate what psychologists call an intermittent reinforcement schedule. This is the same mechanism behind every addictive behavior. Unpredictable rewards create more emotional engagement than predictable ones. This doesn't mean playing games. It means having a life and letting your response pattern reflect that naturally. When your replies vary, sometimes quick, sometimes after an hour, her brain starts to anticipate you. She checks her phone. She rereads what she sent. Not because you're manipulating her, but because uncertainty activates the dopamine system far more than certainty ever could. The key, never be predictable but never disappear. Vary your timing. That's the window where attraction builds. The open loop. Most men try to keep a conversation going by answering every question completely and asking one back. That's polite. It's also forgettable. Instead, use what screenwriters call an open loop. Start a thought, then don't finish it. For example, something happened today that reminded me of you. Anyway, how was your meeting? You just planted a seed in her mind. She will ask about it, not because it's a trick, but because the human brain is wired to seek closure. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. We remember incomplete thoughts twice as well as completed ones. 1 open loop per conversation. That's all it takes to make her think about you when she puts her phone down. Sensory language. Text in images, not information. Here's what most men text. We should get coffee sometime. Functional, boring, 0 emotional response. Now compare. There's this place on 5th with the worst espresso in the city. You'd love it. Same invitation. Completely different psychological effect. The second version activates her sensory cortex. She sees the place, she tastes the coffee, she feels the humor. You just created a small shared world between you and her. And that's what emotional connection actually is. Replace information with imagery. Don't tell her what to do. Make her feel something. That's the difference between a text she reads and a text she screenshots. These 3 principles, unpredictable timing, open loops, and sensory language, aren't manipulation. They're how attraction naturally works when someone understands the psychology behind it. Most men text to get a reply. You're texting to stay on her mind. If you want to learn how one single physical move creates the same effect in person, watch this video next.